Hello, everyone. Today, we will be conducting an experiment in developing a Wi-Fi access point API hotspot based on the Raspberry Pi platform. Here are the relevant API function interfaces. Enable AP hotspot mode, disable AP hotspot mode, and other related function interfaces. We can write the code to connect to our own mobile phones. Wi-Fi hotspot for testing purposes. Access relevant code by navigating to vscode. Thus, Wi-Fi task was created. Within this task, the Wi-Fi event callback function is registered. Configure the designated hotspot settings. Subsequently, initiate the Wi-Fi. Check for usability. Finally, initiate DHCP. At the top, you can configure your own hotspot name and password. Compile the code. Select the flashing, burning file. After resetting, a successful connection will be displayed. This is the successfully connected Wi-Fi, and print the relevant information. Finally, let's take a look at the flowchart of the code to understand the approach of this experiment. That's all for today. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.